Well, we're supposed to be getting a rain today, but I thought I'd come out here and set some more posts. We set this post yesterday, and it's in concrete, and this other post yesterday. So maybe this rain set that concrete, but that's 16-foot gate we're gonna hang right there. So what we're trying to do here is I cleared this 200-yard lane for these cows to get to and from the back. We hadn't used it in about 6 or 8 years. It grew up and the trees kind of took it over. So I got a wild hair last week and got the chainsaw out and started cutting, spent the day cutting trees and limbs, and then the next day got the tractor and pushed all the limbs to one side. So we're gonna try to make the cows go from the front of the place to the back of the place with this lane only. And most of these cows never used this lane before. They're back there, out there in the background. So we're gonna build up this corner and kind of make it look a little stronger, so these cows won't push on the corner when they come in here from one direction or the other. So we just used some lighter posts right there, but we had some old telephone poles, been here about 20 years and hadn't been using them, so I decided to use them. Well, I cut 2 9-foot lengths, and now I know why we hadn't been using them. I could barely get them in the front end loader of this little tractor. So but we're gonna stick these in the ground and hopefully get them set before the rain comes in. Well, started first hole. I don't know if this thing's gonna be straight or not, but it doesn't rain. One thing you'll notice about this clay, it gets to a certain point down there and it just turns it into gumballs. See those little round balls down there? So it gets to about that spot, and then we have to start getting the old manual post hole diggers out. Let's see if we can get a little bit more out. Well, we need to get that thing to sink in the ground a little bit more. Tonight, and we'll get it cleaned out. Well, with a little help of this front end loader, I was able to get the telephone poles in the ground. They're 9 foot, probably about 3 foot in the ground. And so I got a gate post and the corner set up, and I'll brace that corner up. And I think I'll put 2 more telephone posts in the ground just in case this corner gets a lot of stress. So anyway, looks a lot better. Okay, I finally finished up this corner. These cow panels, 16-foot gate. And these cows are got to be moving between the back side of the place to the front side through this new lane. So as you can see, they're coming. It's like a long walk. So, well, they used to just have a gate between the 2 pastures, but this lane, if I get them in this lane, it's going to help me get them across Death Creek here and go up into the lane that goes to my holding pen and working area. So anyway, finally finished it, and here comes the first bunch. Take them a while to get used to it. Whoop, whoop. Come on. It's about 200 yards long, so but it's a good shady walk. Got it all opened up now, but see if they'll come on through. Go to the front. I'm sure there's gonna be some calves left behind, so I may have to open up the other gate. But come on, girls. one too. One slipped in when I was working. Come on. Well, first one through, old girl. Look at them, they're saying, oh, something's changed. Anyway, it's gonna be something new for these things. Hopefully in a couple of weeks we can be able to catch them all and get them work out for the summer. This last group just hard to convince to come through that hole down there. That cow right there made them come to the corner though. Now they're coming through. Come on! It's all new. I understand. Kind of gives me a better look at them, how they're going through though. Here comes some 1-year-old peppers that just turned out. There's a new baby, that mother right there. They're coming. Most of them gathered up down here. Second pasture. Sorry I left my truck running in the background, but I had to drive down there and convince them to come through that new hole. So, all right. Yeah, you're a troublemaker. They keep on coming. More young ones right there. That little structure you see laying down right there was a deer stand Storm took care of for us a couple years ago. We just left it there. Come the last two, three. Huh?